You've likely seen this bright yellow powder in your grocery store, or maybe it's already in your pantry. Turmeric is famous for soothing inflammation and helping your cells recover from daily stress. But there is a significant hurdle. Simply eating the spice doesn't mean your body is actually able to use it. In fact, the human body usually filters out and throws away up to 99% of the turmeric you consume if you eat it all by itself. Without a specific strategy to help with absorption, sprinkling plain turmeric on your food is mostly ineffective for your cellular health. To understand why, think of your bloodstream and cells as a highly exclusive nightclub. Inside turmeric is a healing compound called curcumin. In our metaphor, curcumin is the VIP guest trying to get into that club. The problem is at the door. Your gut and liver act like strict bouncers, using specific enzymes to block curcumin. These enzymes are so efficient, they break down and clear away the curcumin before it reaches your cells. Curcumin is so fragile that it needs a specific companion to help it survive this journey and reach the rest of your body. That companion is ordinary black pepper. It contains an active compound called piperine that changes the entire equation. If curcumin is our VIP guest, piperine is the clever celebrity manager. Piperine works by temporarily occupying the bouncers in your gut and liver. By keeping enzymes busy, it slows the elimination process. With the enzymes occupied, the amount of curcumin that successfully enters your bloodstream spikes by 2,000%. You only need a small amount to see this effect. Try mixing 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric with just a tiny pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Adding that pinch of pepper ensures that the turmeric you eat actually reaches your cells instead of just passing through your system. Now that the VIP is through the door, it still needs a way to travel comfortably through your system. Curcumin is fat-soluble. This means it doesn't dissolve in water, and it needs to hitch a ride on fat molecules to move through your body effectively. Think of healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee as the limousines that pick up our VIP at the door. When curcumin and pepper are wrapped in fat, they are protected in a tiny sphere that allows them to glide smoothly into your cells. This completes the combination for recovery. Turmeric provides the healing, a pinch of pepper provides access, and healthy fat provides transport. You can easily put this biological teamwork to use in your own kitchen every day. You can whisk these 3 ingredients into scrambled eggs, blend them into a smoothie, or stir them into an olive oil-based salad dressing. One of the most popular ways to enjoy this is a warm golden drink, often called golden milk. To make it, gently heat your choice of milk on the stove, then add your turmeric, the pinch of pepper, and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Making this a simple part of your daily routine is the most reliable way to help your body manage inflammation over time. If you prefer not to cook with these spices, you can also find them in concentrated supplement forms. When looking at a supplement label, check to see that it includes the manager we discussed. You'll usually see the term bioavailability or piperine listed right next to the turmeric extract. Just be aware that high-dose capsules can sometimes cause a bit of stomach discomfort or interfere with medications like blood thinners. For most people, simply using these spices in your daily meals is a safe and easy way to support your long-term health. The ingredients in your pantry are ready to support your cells. They just need the right combination of pepper and fat to reach their destination.